happens in the snow at the wintertime? Oh, Grandmother Mountain's all covered in snow.
It's snow.
Yeah, lots of snow. Snow is very cold.
Snow and cold.
And now it's springtime again. Look at all the pretty colors. We have yellow.
And yellow, red, a blue,
And green. And lots of clouds.
black cloud.
Fluffy white clouds, right?
White cloud.
Oh.
White cloud.
Okay. One day there was a machine that flew over. Do you know what that is?
It's 20.
It's a helicopter. Oh, that 20 is the number of the page. And what is that? Is that a helicopter?
21.
Very good. And look at the helicopter. See him flying over the mountain?
A helicopter.
Yeah.
Flying mountain.
Why is he doing that, huh? Uh-oh. Machines are coming to Grandmother Mountain. Saws. They're going to cut trees down.
Tree down.
Yeah. Oh, what number is this?
It's 23.
Right. Oh my goodness.
25.
Look at the big machine.
It's a train.
Yeah, and it's had big towers all across the mountain.
Across the mountain.
And know what happened? There was smoke and pollution, and you couldn't see into the lake anymore. And the mountain began to tremble and caused a big storm.
A big door.
Thunder and lightning. And it is a political. And then she shook and she quaked and she wrecked all the things and she screamed and her mouth became a volcano. All the lava coming out. Yeah, and all the fire and lava coming out.
Coming out.
She became a big fire.
A big fire.
It burned for many days and it left ashes. And then Grandmother Mountain became silent because there was no sounds of birds giggling. And Grandmother Mountain smoldered and sulked for a long time.
No.
Candy.
What is that? What color is that?
It's yellow.
Yellow. Poppy puts that yellow stuff in his drink. And guess what? Fresh breezes came, and a sprinkle soon came, and then rain came, and look, there were big clouds again, and Grandmother Mountain slept, and then she got up, and there were birds and creeks and a big rainbow and brand new beginning. Yes, and Grandmother Mountain was happy.
And 40.
Yeah, that is 40. Yes.